Please introduce yourself and describe with some sentences about your business.
Hello, my name is Rokas, I'm 32 years old. I'm from Lithuania, from Vilnius, and by education I am finance specialist. But my working experience is I was working several years with government projects. Later I moved to IT sphere and transport. And 2 years ago, together with my friends, we established a company named Baltic Fishing. We have open shop in Vilnius and also electronic commerce portal.
How did you take decision to start your business?
Fishing was my hobby from early days. I am doing this about 25 years. And also a few years ago, together with my friends, we established a fishing club. We were organizing fishing competitions, social events, and this gave for me many useful contacts. Combining all my experiences, fishing equipment ID was born.
Please tell us more about the beginning. Did you cross some problem situations?
Well, my business start wasn't difficult because it was a long period of preparation. Before establishing the company, we already had many useful contacts of suppliers, of partners. Also, we developed electronic commerce portal before we opened the company, and also found a place for our office and open shop.
Which is the enterprise's roadmap map after the investment?
Well, the businessman always should have a plan, and we always have a plan of our future. And you not only should have a plan, but you should be not afraid to change it depending on the situation.
Students are taught at school that before starting a business, man should prepare a business plan, a market investigation, wait for a good economic situation of a country. Is it really true, or is it all just an ounce of luck, jumping with the right idea in the right time?
The good idea is only the first step, the very small step. I can compare the idea with an airplane. Not everybody can navigate an airplane. You should have knowledge for that. So a good businessman should be able to survive in any crisis and find sources and solutions in any difficulties.
What are the values that you had always on your side and never strained?
Well, I always respect my customers, my partners, and even my competitors.
Do you know the strengths and weaknesses of your regional and national competitors?
The main disadvantages of our competitors is they fail to cooperate in maintaining good relations between each other, and they usually compete with price, not the customer benefits.
What are personal characteristics are specific for successful entrepreneur?
My experience says that it's knowledge, interest in innovations, and without any doubts, it's hard work.
Which situation must be avoided by young entrepreneurs?
Well, young and entrepreneurs, businessmen usually chooses ideas that are popular. They choose popular businesses, and they want to get benefits very fast. But in long time, they just they don't have a vision for the long time.
What do you consider as your greatest success?
My greatest success is that I can that my hobby and my job is not far away from each other, and they complete each other.
Thank you.
Thank you.